So I opened my pool a few weeks ago. Look at how dirty it is. I'm definitely taking some samples. There looks to be a bunch of different kinds of algae. It rubs off so easily and felt really slimy. I feel like I've gotten plenty of samples now. I'll prepare a couple different slides for different specimens. I let some settle to get the best results. Let's take a look. The individual strands kind of look like cyanobacteria when I zoomed in. Let's look at the others. I was surprised to see any life at all. Considering chlorine is put in the pool throughout the year, I saw some nematodes, along with some rotifer. It was all alone though. Came across some algae I couldn't identify, which is why I'm posting this a month later. I like to give you guys some info along with the pictures, so it isn't boring. I think these last are maybe more cyanobacteria.